Good day. This is my accomplishment report for the day. On the reply cleaner, I am done with adding the checker for the ability that would only connect to the live broadcast when user was authenticated. This would only make it that the connection would be available when user is logged in and disconnect the notification when the user was logged out. Next is I am done with the creation of the simple notification design for the implementation of the data broadcast. So I just added a simple design for this one that would be a simple static that I will be using later on when the data for the live broadcast is not available and it is correct now for the display. This one is for static only to just present or just view what will I be doing. Next is I started with the logic for the notification. So, and to only show the current to the current session or the use uh, even no to show only the notification data to the current user or the current session, even though they have the same account. For example, multiple user is using the admin account, right? But what if, so I was trying to make a logic for that one that even though they have the same time with that feature, the notification should only show what they are currently doing on this specific time, even though there are multiple users with connected to this account. And I still need to continue on this one tomorrow. That's all for my report. Thank you.